Knowing good vocabulary is very important in writing. Using the perfect word in your sentence will help to make your ideas clearer. Try increasing your vocabulary by watching this video to learn how to use new words in sentences. Improving your vocabulary is always a good idea. In this video, I will show you how to use the different variations of the word reduce. Reduce means to bring down to a smaller size. Reduce is a verb. Here's a sentence using the word reduce. The company decided to reduce the number of employees on the project. This would mean that they're going to have less employees work on the project. Here's another sentence. It was necessary to reduce the expenses for the coming month. To reduce expenses means to spend less or to bring down to a smaller amount. Reduction is the noun form. There was a reduction of the number of employees on the project. The reduction in pay affected 100 employees. Reducible is the adjective form. Here's a sentence with the word reducible. The company was looking for a component that was reducible for various applications. Reducible would mean something that can be made smaller. It seemed to the manager that the problem was reducible to two misunderstandings among the employees. If something can be reducible, it means that you can bring it down to just a few things. Irreducible is the opposite of reducible and is also an adjective. It means it's not able to be reduced or made smaller. It was decided that the size of the product was irreducible. They could not make the product any smaller. The irreducible component in the project was definitely the time factor. The component that could not be made any smaller or shorter in the project was how long it was going to take. Reduce, reduction, reducible, irreducible. These are all different ways that you can use the word reduce or to make something smaller. Try using some of these words to help improve your writing. Happy writing! I hope you learned some good ways to use this word. Keep learning new vocabulary words to help you to improve your writing. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching Writing Better.